Hi, this is Mark Graban from KaiNexus. We're excited to announce Vaccination. It's a free platform using KaiNexus technology that allows people who are doing process improvement work related to COVID vaccinations to share with each other. You can share improvements that you've done in your vaccination process. You can see what others are submitting so that you can adopt and adapt or be inspired. We hope this helps spread continuous improvement as we aim to stop spreading COVID. To apply to get a free account, visit vaccinexus.com. That's VACCINEXUS.com. Hi, this is Mark Graban. In today's KaiNexus Continuous Improvement Podcast, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about an expert panel discussion that we're hosting January 21st. It's going to run for 90 minutes. It's going to start at 1 o'clock Eastern. And this panel discussion is titled Improving the COVID Vaccination Process, Lessons from the Field. So this is going to be the latest in our webinar series. And I want to tell you a little bit about the content, and I'll tell you about who is going to be participating. Now, unlike some other webinars, we don't have a preview discussion with any of the panelists because this is all coming together very quickly on this really timely issue, but let me tell you a little bit about it. You can register by going to www.kainexus.com/webinars. So the safe and prompt administration of the COVID vaccines is one of the most critical issues today in global public health. So we're going to have this 90-minute panel discussion moderated by me. It's hosted by Value Capture, KaiNexus, and it's also in partnership with Catalysis. So in this discussion, healthcare leaders from the private and public sectors will share their experiences with the COVID vaccine administration process, what is working, what is not, and how lean is helping make these processes better. So the objective of the webinar in this panel discussion is to share the lessons these leaders have learned and continue to learn in near real time so that others dealing with their own vaccine administration challenges can benefit from and contribute to this discussion. We anticipate informative and lively discussions with ample opportunity for Q&A. So we have 4 panelists scheduled. First is Secretary Daniel Carey. He's a physician. He is a former physician executive at a health system, and he is currently the Secretary of Health and Human Resources for the Commonwealth of Virginia. So Secretary Carey will be able to give us a great perspective from the state level and from the government policy perspective. Our second panelist is Penny Iannelli. She is the Chief Transformation Officer at UMass Memorial Healthcare. So Penny will give us a process improvement focused perspective on what is happening here with the COVID vaccines. We have another process improvement focused person. She is Lisa Malosh. She's the Senior Director of Organizational Improvement with Presbyterian Senior Care Network. So we have a large academic integrated health system in UMass Memorial Healthcare represented. And we also have a senior living organization that offers a real broad range of services. Again, that's Presbyterian Senior Care Network. And then fourth, also from UMass, Dr. Shlomit Shaw. She is professor and chair of the Department of Ophthalmology and Visual Sciences at the UMass Medical School. She is also the president of the UMass Memorial Medical Group, and she is additionally a senior associate dean for health strategies at the UMass Medical School. So all 4 of these panelists really bring, again, a wide range of perspectives and experiences, and you're going to be able to hear all of this from them January 21st. 1 o'clock Eastern. It runs from 1 to 2:30 Eastern. I'll be moderating. When you register for this at kainexus.com/webinars, you could submit a question in advance. You can submit questions after registration via email, and you'll be able to submit questions live via the Zoom webinar chat. So again, January 21st, Improving the COVID Vaccination Process, Lessons from the Field, an expert panel discussion. You can register by going to kainexus.com/webinars.